Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan, stock number B9816A. 25,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check, history report, granite pearl in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Grand Caravan Seat 7, cloth interior, stow and go seating, allows the second and third row to fold flat into the floor. Third row seats 3. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. Backup camera. Deep storage wall behind the third row, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into. Hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is as easy as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can of course fold them in any combination, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. Trailer hitch. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. High back bucket seats in the middle row, recline, slide forward and back, and have hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Gauges, cruise control, 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. Can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices. And that's of course where the backup camera display is. 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Slide out cup holders, power outlets, lots of storage in the removable center console, and dual glove boxes with the owner's material. Under the hood, this Grand Caravan has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance. Anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.